Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to schedule Instagram Reels on PC. So, let's dive right in. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't currently offer built-in scheduling for Reels within the app itself. But fear not, there are a couple of workarounds to achieve that sweet PC scheduling magic. Navigate to Meta Business Suite. The link is provided in the description. Log in using your Facebook credentials connected to your Instagram account. By using your Facebook login, you're essentially leveraging the connection between Facebook and Instagram under the Meta umbrella. Click on the Create Reel button within Business Suite. It's important to understand that while you can't directly record or edit a reel here like you can within the Instagram app, you can still achieve scheduling. What you can do is upload a pre-edited reel video that you've already created and edited within the Instagram app. Business Suite offers some basic editing options for your uploaded reel. You can add a caption, trim the video slightly to adjust the start and end points, and choose a cover image that will be displayed before someone clicks to play your reel. Once you're satisfied with your caption, trimming, and cover image selection, you can schedule the reel for a future date and time. This allows you to plan your content in advance and ensure your reels are published at the optimal times to reach your target audience. So there you have it. With this trick, you can upload your reels on Instagram via PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.